The spread of Islamic civilization. Muhammad founds Islam. In 610 AD, an Arab trader called Muhammad described how he had been visited by an angel and given a revelation from Allah, God. He began to preach this message, and soon a new religion called Islam was founded, with Muhammad as its prophet. His followers were called Muslims, or sometimes Moors. The two main cities of the Islamic religion were, and still are, Mecca and Medina, both located in Saudi Arabia. The spread of Islam. Even after Muhammad's death, the religion of Islam continued to gain in popularity. It spread quickly, especially along the trade routes towards Southeast Asia. This was helped along by Arab armies, led by the Caliph, the new Muslim leader. In addition, religious leaders called Imams went on missionary journeys, teaching the religion and customs of Islam far and wide. As a result, the Islamic civilization spread across the Middle East, west to North Africa and Spain, and east to India. United by a common religion and purpose, these people and places thrived. The new Islamic civilization and the old Roman Empire. After the fall of the Roman Empire in 476, territories that had once been ruled by the Romans were left weakened and vulnerable to barbarian invasions. As Islam spread, some of these territories fell reluctantly to the Arab armies, while others welcomed the new religion and the unity, connection and protection it brought. In 846, there was an Arab raid against Rome itself. The outskirts were plundered, but the impenetrable Aurelian walls protected the main city. Though Islam didn't reach Britain, it did reach as far as the southern parts of Spain, including what is now Portugal. The conquering Arab armies gave this region a new name, Al-Andalus. The map showed the territories of the Roman Empire and the Islamic civilization. Although they largely occupied different areas, there was plenty of overlap, especially in northern Africa. The growth of empires. At first, the vast Islamic civilization was divided into regions called caliphates. These eventually became empires. Some of the largest, most successful empires were the Abbasid and Mughal empires, but the Ottoman Empire outlasted them all. It finally fell in 1922 when it became known as the Republic of Turkey.